Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? Myself Surekha Verma, the educator of the Radiant International School. Students, today I will teach you chapter number 5, Santa and my tweet. This is the poem. Students, do you know about Santa? The poem, Santa and my friend. Do you know about Santa Claus? Actually, students, we all love to get presents on important occasions. Our parents, relatives, and friends gives us presents on special days. When did when did you last get a present, student? Anyone? Anybody tell me? I think on your last birthday you got the good present. Okay. So now here in this poem, the poet Ken Nesbitt. The name of the poet is Ken Nesbitt. Ask Santa, "Do you know me? How I am? आप मुझे जानते हो मैं कैसा हूँ?" Yes, he asked him in this poem in so many ways. He asks. Okay, first I will read one stanza and then I will explain it. What the poet asks Santa. Okay, now let's start. Dear Santa, did you get my tweet? Here, tweet means a posting made on the social media website Twitter. Our presents, I would think, are sweet. And what about my Facebook post? Toys and stuff I want the most? Here, poet asks Santa, did you get my tweet? क्या आपको मेरा मैसेज मिला है? ट्वीट मीन्स मैसेज. आपको मेरा मैसेज मिला है? और प्रेजेंट्स आई वुड थिंक आर वेरी स्वीट. जितने भी ये प्रेजेंट है उनमें से ये सबसे मीठा है जो एक ट्वीट में भेज रहा हूँ. Here the poet sent the tweet, sent one message, and that message was very sweet than the present. And what about my Facebook post? Or toys and stuff I want the most? Here the poet asks, क्या आपने मेरा Facebook देखा है? And what about my Facebook post? Or toys and stuff I want the most? मुझे क्या चाहिए? Toys, I want toys, and stuff. Stuff means articles. From you, आपसे मैंने मांगा है वो मुझे चाहिए. वो है आपके पास? This poet asks to Santa. Understand everyone? Now next stanza. Dear Santa, did you read my blog? What's where I keep a running log of all the times what I have been good and doing things I know I should. Here the poet asks Santa, Dear Santa, did you read my blog? Here blog means a discussion or informational website. Okay. He asked to him, Did you read my blog? क्या आपने मेरा blog पढ़ा है? Blog means this website आपने मेरी देखी है? That's where I keep a running log. जिसे मैं हमेशा देखते रहता हूँ, पढ़ते रहता हूँ, लेकिन मेरा ब्लॉग हर समय चलते रहता है. I keep a running log. मीन्स मेरा लॉग जो है रिकॉर्ड मीन्स रिकॉर्ड ऑफ इवेंट्स वो हमेशा चलते रहता है. मैं हमेशा ब्लॉग पे भेजते रहता हूँ आपको मैसेज. ऑफ ऑल द टाइम्स दैट आई हैव बीन गुड. मैं हमेशा अच्छा ही रहता हूँ. ऑलवेज आई एम गुड. मैं हमेशा अच्छा ही रहता हूँ और अच्छा ही हूँ. एंड डूइंग थिंग्स आई नो आई शुड. मुझे पता है मुझे क्या करना है ना. मुझे क्या करना है यह सब मुझे पता है. आई नो एवरीथिंग. Okay, understand this? Next answer. Now, next the poet asks, Santa, I hope you saw my Instagram. My email wasn't flagged as spam. You have seen my YouTube channel too. And all my texts have made it through. I hope you saw my Instagram. Instagram means an online mobile photo sharing, video sharing and social networking services. Email means messages distributed by electronic means from one computer to other. Spam means irrelevant messages sent on the internet. मतलब जो हम जब किसी को इग्नोर करने के लिए स्पैम में मैसेज डालते हैं, है ना? एंड यू नो अबाउट द यूट्यूब. अंडरस्टैंड दिस ऑल द hard word, this word meanings, you know, understand? Okay students, now I will explain this stanza. Oh, I hope as you saw my Instagram. क्या आपने मुझे लगता है आप मेरा इंस्टाग्राम ज़रूर देखते होंगे, है ना? My email wasn't flagged as spam. आपने मेरे ईमेल को स्पैम नहीं डाला होगा, स्पैम में नहीं डाला होगा. मतलब मेरे मैसेज को आपने डिलीट नहीं किया होगा, स्पैम में आपने इग्नोर नहीं किया होगा. यू हैव सीन माई यूट्यूब चैनल टू. और मुझे लगता है आपने मेरा यूट्यूब भी देखा होगा. एंड ऑल माई टेक्स्ट हैव मेड इट थ्रू. जिसमें मैं अपने टेक्स्ट लिखते रहता हूँ. द पोएट सेंड सम दैट पोस्ट, ही पोस्ट सम हिज स्टफ, all the articles he sent. Then he asked to Santa. Afterwards, at last, what he says to the Santa? Wait, does the North Pole even get computers and the internet? I hope it does. I mean, it better. Or I might have to write a letter. Oh, wait. Means just रुको. Does the North Pole even get computers and the internet? The poet thought. Does the Santa lives in North Pole. That's why he asked to him, do you know about internet and computers? He asked, रुको, अभी जाना मत. नॉर्थ पोल भी इंटरनेट और नॉर्थ पोल में भी इंटरनेट और कंप्यूटर है क्या? आई होप इट डज. मुझे लगता है हाँ, वहाँ पे भी है ना, वहाँ भी सब कुछ है. देखते वहाँ भी है क्या? वहाँ भी आप सब कुछ देखते रहते हैं? आई मीन इट बेटर. यस, मुझे लगता है ये सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है. और आई माइट हैव टू राइट ए लेटर. इसलिए मुझे आपको लेटर लिखना है. बिकॉज ही नोज वेयर Santa lives. Understand, student? Now here, the poet asks, do you know me on social media? Because everyone is using internet, email, Instagram. That's why the poet asks, do you know to me? मुझे आप पहचानते हैं, मुझे आप जानते हैं? Understand everyone this poem? Okay, now I will explain this exercise also. What does the poet post on Facebook? Poet ने Facebook पे क्या post किया है? Do you know? Yes, you know. I think the poet posts stuff on Facebook. What does the poet write on his blog? Blog पे क्या लिखा है तो poet ने? The poet writes log on his blog. क्या लिखा है? log लिखा है. log means articles लिखा है. The poet writes log on his blog. What is Santa supposed to find on Instagram? Santa is supposed to find spam email on Instagram. Question number 4. The poet asks whether the internet is available in the USA on the North Pole. Okay, it is not visible. So it is the answer is the North Pole. Number B. Question number 5. According to the poem, where does Santa live? आपको क्या लगता है कि Santa कहाँ रहते हैं? According to the poem, Santa live on the North Pole. Understand everyone? Now this. Complete the following analogies with related words. Analogies means the kind of comparison between two words is called an analogy. जिस वर्ड्स में टू इसमें कंपैरिजन होता है, हाँ, तुलना होती है, उसे कहते हैं analogy. Just smile is to joy as tear is to मतलब जॉय के लिए हम स्माइल करते हैं, तो टीयर्स के लिए क्या होता है? सैड ना, सैड होते हैं तब हमारे टीयर्स आते हैं ना हमारे आंखों में. मैन इज टू वुमन एज बॉय इज टू. गिव मी द आंसर फास्ट फास्ट. गर्ल. यस, करेक्ट. मार्च इज टू अप्रैल as dash is to December. So November is to December. Shoes are to feet as dash are to hands. पैर के लिए शूज होते हैं तो हैंड्स के लिए क्या होते हैं? ग्लोव्स. यस, करेक्ट. द आंसर इज करेक्ट. सीनरी इज टू डैश एज सोफा इज टू फ्लोर. सीनरी कहाँ पे हम लगाते हैं? जैसे सोफा फ्लोर पर रहता है तो सीनरी कहाँ होती है? वॉल पे होती है. वेरी गुड आंसर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ हियर fill in the blanks with uncountable nouns taking clues from the pictures. Students, previously we study about countable and uncountable nouns. I hope you understand this all countable and uncountable nouns. Now just give me the answer students. Here a cake of केक क्या के जैसे रहता है? a cake of soap. SOAP. सोप कहाँ है? उसको आपको fill in the blanks यहाँ पे लिखना है आपको. soap. There is a soap. You can see the pink color soap. A pinch of मतलब एक चुटकी भर क्या होता है? salt. A kilo of you can see the picture rice. A drop of क्या होता है? drop of एक बूंद क्या की होती है? water. A heap of bricks. Okay, understand? Now here next. Listen to the following words and write their masculine forms. This is feminine. You have to write masculine to feminine, feminine to masculine. Okay, now here write down masculine forms. Mare. Masculine is. Give the answer student. Fast. Yes, correct. Answer is horse. Second, niece. The answer is nephew. NEPHEW, nephew. Wife. Wife masculine. Husband. HUSBAND, husband. Mother. Answer is, give the answer. Father. Yes, correct. Lady. Masculine is gentleman. GENTLEMAN, gentleman. Madam. Masculine is sir. Cow. Bull. BULL, bull. Bitch. Masculine is dog. Very good answer students. I hope you understand everything. If you have any confusion then you can ask me. Okay students, just read the poem and write down in the notebook this poem and write down this all the exercise also in text. Question answers only write down in textbook and all the exercise write down in only question answers write down in notebook and all other exercise write down in textbook only. Okay students? Okay, bye. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.